In an ultimatum to Punjab, Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari has warned the state government that NHAI projects in the state will be cancelled if the prevailing law and order situation does not improve. In his strongly worded letter, Gadkari said that the state risks losing 8 key highway projects worth over 14,000 crore rupees, including the Delhi-Amritsar-Katra Express. The union minister in his letter claimed that there have been multiple reports of violence and threats issued to National Highways Authority of India workers, engineers and contractors. The union minister urged the state government to take immediate corrective measures, file FIRs and to take strong action against the perpetrators to prevent such incidents in the future. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab hit back at Nitin Gadkari over his allegations, claiming that it is a bid to tarnish the state's reputation. Aam Aadmi Party leader Harpal Cheema said that instead of writing letters, centre should release the funds due to the state.
नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड ब्यूरो का डाटा देखो, पंजाब का लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इज मच बेटर दैन यूपी, एमपी, राजस्थान, जितने डबल इंजन सरकारें हैं सबसे बेहतर है। आप उसका रिकॉर्ड देखो। मैं इसका जवाब यही देना चाहता हूँ कि पंजाब को बदनाम करने की, पंजाब के फंड रोकने की, पंजाब के किसानों को बुरा भला कहने की बातें मत करो। आओ उनसे बात करो। बॉर्डर स्टेट है, आप उसको डिस्टेबलाइज मत करो।
तो मैं समझता हूं गडकरी साहब को ऐसे लेटर नहीं लिखने चाहिए, बल्कि जो हमारा पैसे बनते हैं, जो हमारा राइट बनता है, वो दे देना चाहिए। जो भी डिमांड है सेंट्रल सरकार की हम पूरी कर रहे हैं। वो पहले भी बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट सेंट्रल सरकार ने हमारे रोके हुए हैं। हमारा रूरल डेवलपमेंट फंड का पैसा, जो मंडियों का पैसा है, वो रोका हुआ है। हमारा नेशनल हेल्थ मिशन का पैसा, वो हमारा रोका हुआ है। हमारा जो कैपिटल असिस्टेंट का पैसा सेंट्रल सरकार का, वो हमारा रोका हुआ है। सो इससे पता चलता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी पंजाब को नफरत की आंख से देखती है।
And I'm being joined by my colleague Amandeep Dixit at this point. Amandeep, thank you very much for joining us. Full-blown political war of words?
Well, absolutely. But beyond the political war of words, there is a sensitivity of this issue. Before Nitin Gadkari has flagged the issue with the Chief Minister, there are several NHAI director and officials. They have written several letters to the Chief Secretary of Punjab highlighting this issue that safety and security is very much uncertain of NHAI officials. And in fact, that is the reason they are not able to work on this expressway from Delhi to Katra. And the land that's supposed to be acquired by the centre government, that is not even happening. So the project is getting delayed, and in fact they are getting the death threats by some miscreants, and FIR should be lodged. So these are the letters which were earlier written by NHAI director and zonal director, in fact, to the Chief Secretary of Punjab. And after that there was no action taken. Then they highlighted this issue with the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, and now Nitin Gadkari has written to Punjab Chief Minister, and it was a clear-cut warning that 8 projects will be cancelled if the law and order will remain uncertain for NHAI officials, contractors and engineers as well. Just because they are getting the threats, their projects will be put on fire, and even the death threats to the officials as well. But now Aam Aadmi Party is making it political. They are saying that the BJP is not willing to develop the state of Punjab. They have blocked the funds, and in fact these are unnecessary allegations. But the point is that those who are working on the ground, they are facing the situation, and that is the reason Union Minister himself written a communication to Punjab Chief Minister.